In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically forward emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once you're done, I want you to go to settings and go to CO settings. Now here, I want you to come to forwarding and POP IMAP. Once you're here, I want you to click on add the forwarding address. You're going to add an address that you want to forward all the emails to. And once you're done with that, Google is going to ask you for verification and you're going to verify all that. Now here you're going to choose to keep a copy of the email in your inbox or not to. And here you're going to set it to the number of messages, the limit of messages that you want to send, or you can send all of it. Then you're going to click on save changes. Now once you're done with that, Gmail is going to automatically forward all of your emails to your stated email address. And that's how you automatically forward emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.